Hello guys, this video is about floor division and modulo. And these are some special mathematical operations from Julia. Modulo is also available in other languages, but especially floor division is specific to Julia. And what is floor division doing is it's dividing a number and then rounds it down to the integer. And so this has a big benefit if we, for example, want to calculate with hours and minutes. We had this one solution or this one case where we tried to calculate with time, but it was difficult because we calculated in decimal and couldn't really shift between each other. And with these two commands, we can calculate very easily. And how we do this is, for example, we have here a number of minutes. We need 145 minutes. And now we want to know how many hours are this. For this, we can make here our comment, how many hours, and then we can run our floor division. And the floor division we do by hours is minutes, and then we just make here this backslash and write div, and then we get it here. If we confirm it with enter, we get here our sign, and this means floor division. And this we divide by 60 because we want to have the hours. And then if we get this, we can print this, of course, print line, and print here our hours. Now let's run this and let's see our result. Julia floor division and modulo.jl. Probably not the best name, look for an easier one. And then we see we get here an integer back, only 2, even if we have here 2 hours and 25 minutes. So how do we get now the hours, the minutes? For this we can just easily use our modulo. So we have here our second case, how many minutes, and then we can make here our we call it remaining minutes. Minutes is minutes, and our modulo is just here our percentage sign, and this we divide also by 60. Then we print this here, remaining minutes, and if we run it now, then we get here our 2 hours and our 25 minutes. Now we can put this together, for example. So we just make here one print line and say here minutes space is, then we make here our hours and we make here our, get here our remaining minutes, and now if we run it, then we have here 145. Okay, here we forgot our minutes are 2 hours and 25 hours and 25 minutes. If we run it now, then we have here an easy division. Here I forgot the space, 2 hours and 25 minutes. And that these two special operators are really comfortable to calculate with time, for example, but also a lot of other things. I hope you understood everything. If you have questions for this, as always, put in the comments. Subscribe my channel to not miss the next video, and then see you next time. Bye guys.